Hi, welcome back to Yee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a chef salad with an Asian twist. Let's get started. I'm going to start by browning 1 pound of ground pork and then season the pork, and we're going to set it aside to cool down for our salad. I'm going to heat a pan and then put 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the pan. Stir it around, and then I'm going to put the 1 pound of ground pork in there. And I'm going to season it with a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt. And then you want to make sure that you break down the meat, any chunks of meat, so that they're small pieces only. Once the juice from the pork has evaporated and cooked down and it starts cooking in the fat, we'll just let it cook for a little bit and fry in the fat, and then we'll be ready to strain it. Okay, now the pork is cooked, so I'm going to turn off the heat. The pork is now cooked, so I'm going to strain the fat out of it, and then we're going to set it aside and let it cool down. Next, I'm going to prepare all the vegetables that we will need for our salad. I'm going to need 1 head of iceberg lettuce. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces, bite size, or if you like them bigger, you can go ahead and leave them bigger pieces. Put it into our bowl, our mixing bowl. And I'm going to cut up half of a cucumber for the salad. Cut it in half. And then I like to slice it diagonally. Put the cucumber right on top of our lettuce. Okay, next we will cut up a tomato. We'll just cut it into half and then slice it. I'm going to set the tomatoes to the side and mix it in later. That way they don't get overworked into the salad. I have 4 hard-boiled eggs that I'm going to slice up. You just slice it right through into little rings. And since the eggs are very tender and soft, I don't want to add this into the salad mix right away. This is the ingredient that I will add in towards the end, or else the eggs will just get all mushed up. I'm going to thinly slice 3 stalks of green onion. Okay, then you'll need some cilantro. This should make about half a cup of cilantro. Finely chop the cilantro. Okay, I have the vegetables and the meat and all my ingredients all ready to go, so I'm going to assemble the salad now. Okay, we have the lettuce and the cucumber now, so I'm going to add in the ground pork that's cooked. Okay, we'll put 1/3 cup of ranch dressing. And then we're going to put 1/3 cup of mayo. A tablespoon of fish sauce. And then we're going to mix all this up first. Mix it until the vegetables are all evenly coated with the dressing. and the mayo. Now add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. Feel free to add more or less. Mix that in. Now add the green onion, cilantro. The tomato. Add the eggs. Okay, we're gonna add a little more ranch and a little more mayo to make it half a cup of ranch and half a cup of mayonnaise. Stir this up. I'm gonna toss the salad until all the ingredients are mixed well. I wanna make sure that the sauce evenly coats every piece of lettuce, cucumber, tomato. You want to taste it with every bite. And here we have our chef salad with the Asian twist. My family also likes to eat this with a little kick. So what you can do is chop up some chili peppers and mix it in, and that makes it delicious as well. Now don't forget to subscribe for future quick and easy recipes. Bye!